These are dried eggshells. Sift your crushed eggshells to obtain finer pieces. Two tablespoons of chia seeds. Add some amount of cinnamon. Also, you can use 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. For cloves of garlic. One 50 milliliters of castor oil. Two tablespoons of eggshells powder. One 50 milliliters of sunflower oil. Now, the mixing. Add 3 tablespoons of garlic and eggshells oil you have made. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and cinnamon oil you made. Stir to mix well the 2 oils. Now is how to use this oil. Use the oil to massage your important part every day before sleeping. Repeat for 14 consecutive days. Wait for the results in 21 to 30 days. Subscribe for more hidden, incredible recipes from our ancestors.